in these streets, I lost my young boy. I told my nigga, go grab your gun, you seal. Oh, you better bust him. I'm chillin' in the A when my nigga scuffle. I told him I wanna fuck up out, bitch, but I no rubber. My brother laughed at me, he thought I was comedian. I said I'm nothing. I'm big old slime bed where I wipe his nose if he get bluffing. And yeah, this gun came from Russia. I'm in the States with all these drakes. Nigga try to play, nigga, I'ma pay. And I'ma shoot a nigga in his face. Baby, I'm dripping today. Yeah, this shit came from nothing. I told these niggas over there they is bumming. That nigga, he ain't getting no money. I was stuck with my nigga Hinch, who was missing in the fucking blender. We had the junkie going brazen. They was telling me that it's dope shit on the heights. I'm a parking better, I take life on the heights. We slanging out, we tryna take life. And this bitch is stuck on my way. We call them bitches dyke. Oh, that nigga think I was small and he thought my life really couldn't fight. I be rolling dice, I'm getting my life, but that shit alright. You can ask the woman in the streets about snakehead. I been earning my stripes, no pussy in this field. I pop out just like some pills. That nigga talking down on me, I'm in the field. Got my clique cause this shit for real shit. Baby, I'm a stoner. I got this dead nigga in my wood. Get my eyes, please, baby, let you know I'm a big old blood from my hood. They love me at my show. They grab my tats, they grab my arm. I ain't got no